Imagine you are sitting in a quiet room. There is no pressure, there is no test, there is only you and your dream. Many people feel afraid when they think about English. They feel language anxiety. It is that heavy feeling in your heart. You think, I am not good enough. You think, English is too hard. I understand you. I hear you. And I want to tell you a secret. You do not need to study for 5 hours every day. You do not need to feel tired. To learn a language, you only need one thing, a routine that fits your life. Today, we will build your routine together. We will use the power of autonomy. Autonomy means you are the boss. You choose the way, you choose the time. By the end of this video, you will have a plan that feels like a gift, not a job. Let us begin. How much time do you have? Maybe you are very busy. You have a job, you have a family, you have school. You think, I do not have time for English. But do you have 5 minutes? 5 minutes is the Goldilocks Zone. Let us talk about science, but in a simple way. Imagine a bowl of soup. One bowl is too hot. One bowl is too cold. One bowl is just right. If you study for 3 hours, it is too hot. Your brain gets burned. You feel tired. If you do nothing, it is too cold. You learn nothing. 5 minutes is just right. When you study for 5 minutes, your brain stays happy. It is easy to start, and starting is the hardest part. Let me tell you about Maria. Maria is a mother. She works in a busy office. She wanted to learn English for a group project at work, but Maria was always tired. She tried to study for 1 hour at night. She failed. She felt sad. Then Maria changed her mind. She decided to study for only 5 minutes while she waited for the bus. She listened to one English song. She read the lyrics. That is all. After 1 month, Maria was not afraid anymore. She knew 30 new songs. She knew many new words. She felt ready for her project. Maria used intrinsic motivation. This means she did it because it made her happy, not because someone told her to do it. Sometimes you have more time. Maybe it is Saturday. Maybe the house is quiet. On these days, we can go deeper. We can look for mastery. Mastery is the feeling of getting better at a skill. But wait, do not study the same thing for 50 minutes. Your brain will fall asleep. We use the retention Trinity. 1. The hook. For the first 10 minutes, do something fun. Watch a movie trailer. Listen to a joke. Wake up your ears. 2. The work. For the next 30 minutes, do the hard part. Write sentences. Learn a new grammar rule. Use your notebook. 3. The payoff. For the last 10 minutes, give yourself a reward. Talk to a friend in English, or write a comment on a YouTube video. When you follow this Trinity, your brain remembers more. It does not feel like work. It feels like a journey. Ahmed is a student. He had to give a school presentation in English. He was very nervous. His hands were shaking. Ahmed decided to use the 50-minute routine. Every Saturday morning, he sat down. First, he watched his favorite English YouTuber. Then, he wrote his presentation notes. Finally, he recorded himself speaking and sent it to a friend. Because Ahmed had a routine, he was not surprised on the day of the presentation. He was ready. He had mastery. Now you must decide. Today, is it a 5-minute day or a 50-minute day? You have autonomy. You are the boss. If you feel tired, choose 5 minutes. Do not feel guilty. 5 minutes is better than 0 minutes. If you feel strong, choose 50 minutes. Let us look at some simple things you can do in your routine. In 5 minutes, you can listen to a podcast while you walk. You can name 10 things in your kitchen in English, or you can write 3 sentences about your day. In 50 minutes, you can read 1 page of a book and find 5 new words. You can watch a video and write a summary, or you can practice a conversation with an AI or a friend. Do you see? It is very simple. Lee wanted to go to a networking event. He wanted to meet new people for his business. He did not have much time, so he did 5 minutes of English every morning. He practiced saying, "Hello, my name is Lee. It is nice to meet you." On the weekends, he did 50 minutes. He learned how to talk about his job. Lee did not try to be perfect. He only tried to be consistent. Consistency is the secret sauce. Why do we do this? We do this because of purpose. Purpose is your why. Why do you want to speak English? Is it to get a better job, to travel the world, or to make new friends? When you have a routine, you serve your purpose every day. If you only study when you feel motivated, you will stop. Motivation is like a feeling. It comes and it goes. But a routine is like a rail. It keeps the train moving, even when the weather is bad. You do not need to be a genius. You do not need a special brain. You only need to show up. We have traveled a long way today. We learned about the Goldilocks Zone. We learned about the retention Trinity, and we heard the stories of Maria, Ahmed, and Lee. Now it is your turn. Do not try to change your whole life today. That is too much. I want you to take one small step. Today or tomorrow morning, find 5 minutes, just 5 minutes. Choose one thing. Listen to a song. Write a word. Say hello to the mirror in English. That is your routine. It starts now. You are doing a great job. I am proud of you for watching this video. It shows you care about your future. If you want to find your mastery, please subscribe to this channel. We are a community of learners. We are all walking the same path. Write a comment below. Tell me, I choose 5 minutes, or I choose 50 minutes. I will read your comments, and I will support you. Thank you for spending your time with me. Stay calm, stay patient, and keep learning. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.